Nowadays, having a good sleep is something challenging for many of us. In fact, statistics show that almost 2 of 3 adults have serious problems caused by their poor quality of sleep or by insomnia, and they didn't even realize this. They want to have a better sleep, but they don't actually do something to get that. Now I'm asking you, how would it feel to be fully energized and motivated when you wake up every morning? How would it be to know that you get the most from your sleeping hours? How would it be to combat the stress and the depression by having the best sleep of your life and spending the same amount of time or even less in bed? My name is Bob Francis, and I'm the co-founder of Your Life Designers team. This organization was founded 3 years ago with the aim of changing people's lives. We already have 5 top-rated courses that bring together over 4,000 of satisfied students from all over the world. I created this course after I've got so many messages from people asking me, how can I run 3 businesses simultaneously and still be able to be so energetic and so full of life in every moment of the day? So I packed this course with several strategies and all the techniques that have worked for me and that I can guarantee will work for you too in order to get the most of your nights. It was designed to give you instant results from the very first day. My life was a mess for years. I've run several businesses, and I do know how busy life can affect each minute of our lives, including the ones while we were sleeping. I have to do so many things in the least amount of possible time, and we simply forget about the most important tool that boosts us forward each day: sleep. Are you ready to get the best sleep of your life? Are you ready to fight the insomnia and the stress that doesn't let you fall asleep after a long day of work? Are you ready to find out what it really takes to forever change your nights and your life? If the answer is yes, then you are in the right place, because this course has everything you are looking for. And because I always want my potential students to feel comfortable when making an investment, there is a 30-day money-back hassle-free guarantee. Basically, this means that if you decide that this course is not right for you, you can take your money back anytime you want. I believe that success is predictable and that it can be engineered. And if you believe it's time for you to have the best sleep of your life and to be more energized, more motivated, and healthier, then go ahead, take this course now, begin this exciting journey, and it will be my pleasure to assist you along the way.